Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can see what's taking up the most space on your phone so you can clear up some space so you don't run out of room when you're, say, trying to take some photos of an important event or something like that. So when you go into your Android settings, sort of near the bottom, you've got like System, About Phone, Battery, but you've also got Storage. Go ahead and give that one a tap. And I just recently cleaned out the photos and videos from my phone that I've personally taken. So now we're going to see what's still kind of eating up the bulk of the space on the phone. And it looks like most of it's being taken up by the operating system and also the apps that I have on my phone. And you can kind of see that it's currently eating up 95 gigs on the phone, but I can see the breakdown of what's taking up what, so I know what to delete. So we can tap on the apps, and it'll tell me that Audible's eating the most space right now, so I can delete some of the books that I've downloaded. Android System Intelligence is also eating up 3.27 gigs, so is TikTok's eating up a few. So I can even click on TikTok, and that gives me a couple of options here. I can clear the storage, and that'll clear out everything that's like taking up space. And I can also potentially clear out the cache file, but it looks like clearing out the storage cleared out both, so now the app size is a single gig rather than multiple gigs. So that'll save me some space. And it'll also let me see, like, what else is on here. Maybe I don't want to keep all of this on my phone. Like, let's see, if I go all the way down here, like, I don't really want this app, so I can click through and see what it's taking up 300 megabytes, but I don't really use it. So I can click through, and then I can click uninstall to completely remove it. And then I can pretty quickly and easily just go through, sort everything, and delete what I don't want to keep anymore. Same thing with videos. It'll show you what videos you've downloaded on your phone that might be taking up space, that you might want to get rid of. Most of these are memes, or some of the other recordings that I've taken tonight making tutorials. So you can easily just select the ones you don't want to keep and then hit the delete button to move them to your trash. So pretty easy and straightforward. And yeah, that's basically how you use the storage feature inside of your Android phone in order to clear out space so it doesn't take up a lot of space and you can keep using your phone for longer. So I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.